He got a devil truck. I ride on devil truck. The devil truck. He drives a devil truck.
I want a devil truck. He wants a devil truck. I want a truck. He wants a devil truck. I want a devil truck. I want a devil truck.
He rides a devil truck. A big fat devil truck, running people into the ground devil truck. It's a red devil truck, he got the horns, it's a devil truck. What you gonna do with the devil truck? Drive it around, put people in the ground, cause it's a devil truck. Wouldn't throw people up into the air, cause a devil truck don't people up there. Devil truck put people down in the ground, devil people put down on the ground. Why would you do that? Because he's not nice, cause it's a devil truck.
A devil truck, a devil truck. A devil truck, a devil truck, a little devil truck, a devil truck, it's a devil truck, a rotten devil truck, a devil truck.
He rides a devil truck red, devil truck horn, devil truck gonna send you back not home. Because why would you do that? Because that's helpful. Devil truck not helpful. Devil truck opposite of helpful. Devil truck is not helpful. Because why? It's a devil truck. Riding around, it's a devil truck. Put people in the ground, not throw them up into the air. Cause it's not a devil truck.
He got a devil truck. A devil truck. He rides a devil truck. He rides a devil truck. He rides a devil truck.
He rides a devil truck.